My name is Abass Dodoo. I come from Ghana. I love drums. I've been playing drums my entire life, and this is what I do for a living. And this is the best job ever for me. I have done this with so many famous people. To mention, I'll mention just few names. Ginger Baker, I've worked with him for a very long time, for about 12 years. I've done recordings with Morrison. I've done a lot of stuff. To mention that, we're not gonna go nowhere, but today, I'm just gonna take you through a journey how to get a better sound on your drum. And please, I'll try my best to explain. And this is good for beginners and for advanced. So I'll take you through that. Before we go through that, I'll introduce the drums to you. We have here djembe, and this is the most popular African drum you can find all over the world. Then we have here the Kpanlogo drum. The Kpanlogo drum originally from Ghana. And this is another version of the Kpanlogo drums. And this is the first congas. This is the original, the authentic congas. So I'm gonna take you through how to get a better sound on your Kpanlogo drum if you have one. Even if you have the djembe, you can still try it. Now, first thing, what to do, how to sit. How to sit is very important. This is the first thing my grandma, she taught me, how to sit. Because the way we play in Africa, we play a whole night, a whole day. So you have to know how to sit for a very long time. So first, you sit, you try and sit at the edge of your chair and make sure you have more room between your knees, your back straight, relax your shoulders. To play all the time, you need to relax your shoulder. You need to relax your entire body. You need to be relaxed. This is very important. Once you relax, then first I'll show you how to get the bass sound. I'm gonna take you through step by step, the bass sound. Your full palm, you put your fingers together, your full palm right in the middle of your drum, and always make sure that you play one hand at a time and make it bounce. All the time, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can try with me. You can try with me. So, you keep the 4 and make it bounce, one hand at a time, all the time. And make sure you relax. And the most important thing, you keep the smile on. You might have a bit of a pain. Your hand might be itch a little bit, but the best painkiller is a smile. Just keep the smile on and the pain will disappear. So, you try this slowly with me. Yeah? Very good. I think you're doing really well. Good. Now, after 4, we're gonna double it after 4, yeah? We keep the same thing. Now, what I'm gonna add to it is the click on my foot. So that is going all the time. Now, after 4, we double it. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah. You're doing really well. And try and relax. You keep it going as long as you want. After 4, you double up. 1, 2, 3, double up. Nice and easy. After 4, double up. 1, 2, 3, go. And try and relax. Very important. After 4, you stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. So no matter how fast you play, make sure one hand at a time, always on your drum. Then you can get the same sound throughout. Now this is number one. Step number two is the tone sound. How to get the tone sound. Very easy, very, 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 very easy. Whole length of your fingers, come all the way here. If you play halfway here, you might have a bit of a pain, but move down here. All the way, you put it at the side, the edge of your drum, like this. And the same thing, one hand at a time, and make it bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4. With it click, yeah? You can try that. The whole length of your fingers. And keep the smile on, and you'll be fine. After 4, let's double up. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. Keep going, keep going. You're doing fine. Very well. After 4, you double up. 1, 2, 3, double up. Keep going. After 4, you double up. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4, you stop. 1, 2, 3, 4. To keep updated with One Drum activities, workshops, and performances, please click the link below or visit onedrum.org. Don't forget to subscribe. We see you.